guys, I'm going to show you today how to do the oval stroke, and as always I'm going to use my pen, my pen tool pen, which is a sign pen. Okay, here we go. The oval stroke is like this, like an oval. As you can see, first this one is not perfect, and that's okay. As you can see, there is a thin side and a thick side. We are doing it towards the left. So we start with the thin side on the right, and we go down thick and up thin again. One thing that I have to recommend, which is a regular mistake we do when we try to do this, we try to start by the beginning, by the top of the oval. So this is what happens. I go thin, thick, and then to go thin, it's a long way up. And so that will make it more difficult for me to keep the pulse all the way from down, all the way up. Instead, if you start in the middle, like this, you go up, down, and then you go up again, and you only have to meet the other line in the middle. All right, I'm gonna do it again. Look at the difference. If I start at the top, I go down, and then I have all this. Instead, if I start at the middle, I only have to cover a little bit and then go down, and then just meet the other one here. All right, keep practicing.